Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie and it's time for another Plant of the Week video, and we're going to do one on one of my favorite shade plants, and that is the Heartleaf Bergenia, and the one that I have is called Jack Frost, and it's an absolutely gorgeous plant. Let me show you what it looks like in the spring. So here we have my Heartleaf Brunnera mixed in with my lamium, but look at these flowers. So they have these flowers in the spring. They're like little forget-me-not flowers. And then in the summer, these leaves get huge. They're a little bit soft and fuzzy, and they have the gorgeous silver variegation. So it's absolutely beautiful, both in the spring and in the summer. Now it does require shade. It will burn up in the sun, and it does need a little bit more moisture. So it looks beautiful mixed in with hostas and coral bells and all sorts of shade plants like that. Now, if you do have a shady location that has good fertile soil and reasonable amounts of water, they're an extremely easy plant to grow. All you need to do is, once the flowers are done, just cut it back so that it looks a little more clean. It looks a lot better without the flower stalks, the dried flower stalks on it. Then the leaves shine in their full glory. So they brighten up dark places. They're easy to care for. In the fall, they just die back and come back in the spring, just like the hostas. So if you have room for a new type of shade plant, definitely try out the Heartleaf Brunnera. There's many different varieties that are silver variegated. Some of them have bigger leaves than others. But go to your local nursery and see what they have, and you'll be really happy you did. Until our next video, have a wonderful garden adventure and enjoy this beautiful spring.